Hey guys, thanks for joining me tonight, or today, whatever time it is for you. I'm just doing a quick Dutch pour on an 8x8 canvas. I'm using colors that I've already used before, but I wanted to try and see if I can get it to work in a different composition, or just to get it to end up looking different. So I'm just giving it another go and we'll see what happens. So I have my white here. It's just Floetrol and Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. And I'm just gonna use my awesome spatula to spread it all out. Okay. Perfect. And then my squeeze bottles to make it easy for me to get my edges. Make sure all my edges are covered. I hope everyone's enjoying their summer so far and having good weather. Right now here where I live, we're in kind of a bit of a heat wave, which is nice for a change because we started off with a pretty cold summer, believe it or not. So it's actually nice to have some heat for a change. And I'm working in the basement, so it's actually pretty cool down here. So that's why I'm not up in the kitchen actually. It's actually very comfortable down here. Okay, so I've got my white laid out. I'm gonna pop all my bubbles with my torch. All right, so what I'm gonna try this time is I'm gonna use less paint. They say less is more, right? So usually I do some pretty big puddles in the middle. So what I wanna try is I wanna try and see if I add less paint, what kind of composition will I end up with? So the colors I'm using is Cyan Blue by Studio Acrylics, Pebeo Studio Acrylics. I've got a Phthalo Green by Americana, and then I have Primary Blue, I think it's, yep, Liquitex Basics, Primary Blue, and then Old Gold by Artist Loft. Just give those a shake. All right, so I'm just gonna try just a bit. I'm gonna try really hard not to overdo it because sometimes I do that. So let's see where I end up if I use a little less paint. Okay, there's my green. I'm gonna add, whoa, a little squirt there. All right, I'm just gonna add a smidge of gold, and then I'm gonna add the, what is this, primary blue? Yeah, primary blue, and then a little more gold on top. All right. Wait, maybe another drizzle or two. One more drop. There, okay. So let's see what happens with this. So I'm going to add my white around. All right, I'm going to torch all my bubbles. Okay, and let's see what happens with this one. So usually I start here in the corner and I blow up this way, but I've put it in the middle this time, like right here in the middle. So I'm gonna go this way and then blow it out that way. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I've covered the paint and now let's go back. Let me torch it and see what happens. Nothing. All right, let's go back. So before I blow it too much, I think I'll blow the rest with my mouth and see if I can kind of guide the paint where I kind of want it to go. so. And then just a little bit more over here. Ooh, oh wow. Okay, now this looks like an iris to me. Here, let me turn it around. Now, correct, like maybe I'm crazy, but this looks like an iris. So the stem would be down here. And then I've got a ton of them in my garden. They're awesome. But that looks pretty cool to me. And you know what? I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to leave it just like so. And I hope to the paint gods, I pray that it stays this way, because I am finally loving the composition on this. So I'm just going to make sure all my edges are covered. Okay. Oh, let's torch it. I didn't even torch it. Let's see what happens. Oh, there's gold in there. Look at that. The gold just came out of nowhere. That's kind of cool. And I can tell there's a lot of gold under here. I wonder. Yep, there was. I knew it. I could see it. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, let me bring you guys down. All right. All right. Okay. Alrighty. What do you guys think about this one? I think I'm finally happy with that. Seriously. Finally, I think I got it. I think I finally got the composition I've been looking for. So there it is. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. For anyone who's new, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See, I got a bell. Hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video and when I go live, because I do go live sometimes. And all my social media links are listed below. I am also an Amazon affiliate. So I have an Amazon shop, I have a US shop, and a Canadian shop. So feel free to click on those links below, and that's where you'll find everything that I buy. Torches, my squeeze bottles, all my stuff I buy off Amazon. So you can go and check it out there. And then I have the PayPal link for anyone who'd like to donate and help me buy supplies. That is always greatly appreciated. So thanks very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Until the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.